Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic topic that's gaining popularity in Philadelphia: sustainable renovations for an eco-friendly home. Stick around as we explore 10 amazing ideas that not only save you money, but also contribute to environmental conservation. Let's dive in. First off, let's understand what an eco-friendly home is. In simple terms, it's earth-friendly, designed to minimize its impact on the environment. These homes save on utility bills and increase in value. It's like investing in a cleaner and healthier living space. Now, let's talk about passive design, a perfect strategy for an eco-friendly Philadelphia home. By maximizing energy efficiency and minimizing environmental impact, you can arrange living spaces to receive ample sunlight, integrate green roofs for insulation, and use strategic landscaping for shade. Reducing waste is crucial for an eco-friendly home. Setting up a recycling center, donating old items, and recycling materials like metal and glass are great ways to contribute. Remember, every small effort counts. Choosing sustainable materials is key. Whether it's recycled or reclaimed materials, like old wood or countertops made from recycled glass, or sustainably sourced materials like bamboo and cork, each choice makes a positive impact. Renewable energy is a growing trend globally. Consider solar panels for electricity and geothermal heat pumps for a cleaner, more sustainable home. Yes, it might cost more upfront, but it's a long-term investment that pays off. Water is precious, so conserving it is essential. Install low-flow faucets in toilets, and consider a rainwater harvesting system. It not only helps the environment, but also saves on your water bill. Insulating your home is like giving it a cozy sweater. Use caulking, weather stripping, and low-E windows to keep your home comfortable, minimizing the impact of outside weather. Furnishing your eco-friendly Philadelphia home with reclaimed furniture is a win-win. It looks fantastic, and you're showing love for the planet by using wood that's already been used, reducing waste and pollution. Meet the superheroes of energy saving, Energy Star rated appliances. From washing machines to fridges, they use less electricity, saving you money and reducing your carbon footprint. Easy choices for a greener home. Make your home smart with energy-efficient devices. Upgrade to a smart thermostat or smart lighting to save energy, reduce environmental impact, and enjoy the convenience of remote control. It's like having a helper for an efficient and eco-friendly home. Lastly, rely on the experts for eco-friendly renovations. Professionals with years of experience can guide you in making the right choices, minimizing waste, and optimizing energy efficiency. And that's a wrap, folks. Creating an eco-friendly Philadelphia home is all about smart choices for your comfort and the environment. If you're in the Philadelphia area and considering renovations, Matrix Company Solutions Corp is ready to assist. Reach out today for a free consultation and estimate. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more eco-friendly tips, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay green.